we're recording right now is recorded behind Mexico and under. We in Mexico. I'll record Billa, but what's up, guys? What we got right here, Billa?
We got the Alpha Steve, the Mama Whiskey 2000. There's some taquachi.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
They're not crazy.
Nah, I'm experienced, but not with modded cars, trucks. What's good, everybody? We back at it. We got a little something different today. We got a Cam 5.3, and let me take it around the corner and see what it's like. It's my first time ever driving a modded car, truck. I mean, yeah, this is way different than anything else I ever driven. I feel like this is more fun than my car because it's just different.
Today we got this going on. We don't give a damn. You know, speak to the camera, man.
Ain't not much to say, man. We just acting up to no good.
What do they have to say about your vehicle? What's some details that you would like to put out there for the people to know about your vehicle?
Just a 5.3 full bolt-on cam. It's nothing big, just a baby cam doing stage 2. Something like.
Look at Leo having fun with this.
Yeah, this thing sound crazy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This makes me want to cat my car, but I want the Hellcat. But man, this right here different. I ain't even hitting the I'm not even a half throttle in the gas type stuff. So I get on the freeway real quick.
Yeah, be a taquachi, your natural habitat.
Yep.
Be a straight taquachi.
Yep.
Cook.
On the dark side.
Oh yeah. Told myself I never would, but it's just because what's it called? I was just intimidated by the people that just straight piped them and called them full bolt-ons. But this is real. No, this one actually has something in it. You honking for no reason.
That bitch honk at us.
It's probably the one you were gonna bang, Billa.
Oh, the wheels,
Yeah.
Hey,
Billa almost banged the milk on me.
we will get some tacos sometime.
Header in the bag.
Oh yeah.
I have lots of history with this truck.
Straight right here, Billa.
Oh yeah. Well, I've been going at a decent velocity of 80 miles an hour right now. It's going down 30 east. Oh, will I be in Mexico? Get out. great. There'll be nothing going on.
Yeah, because I completely forgot about the wind noise. We might suffer a little bit, but it's for the content. You know, the race truck problems. You know, when you get to build a race truck or any race cars, stuff is always not going as planned. So we don't have AC at the moment. But that's all good. We gonna roll with the windows cracked so y'all don't get no wind noise on it.
Look at this shiesty city. This really shiesty city.
What you got to say about the truck, Billa?
Oh, badass. We stay in this whole handling square business in this whole, you know.
Yep.
Up to no damn good at all times.
Oh, yeah. But I'll not be too disclosed in what we do in this film with our handle square business.
Yep. Well, we gonna do a pull for y'all real quick in a bit. Right here on this little piece right here where it gets straight, I'm gonna do a little 60 roll.
Oh yeah.
60 how you say it? I just floor it or how what?
Just gotta floor it this way.
Alright, bet. Oh yeah, this sounds crazy. Makes me want to make my car louder. Huh. I still can. I can take the resonators off. Probably make it a tad bit louder. God damn, it's too much track for a Sunday. Huh. Oh, you know what? Let's go under the bridge. What y'all think about this truck? Y'all like it? It's cam down, full bolt on, like as he said. 5.3. I hit it for y'all into the tunnel real quick. Hopefully ain't a lot of traffic. Yeah, he's getting out the way. Drops gears too. It doesn't give it. One more pull right here. I'm on 60. Let's see. One last pull right here. It the rest of the time, but yeah, this truck sounds hella clean, no cap. It's my first time ever driving something modded in general. All right, I got the windows rolled down a little bit so I can hear a little bit of the exhaust. Villa? We're lucky there's not a lot of cops today. A lot of federales. What y'all think about the 5.3s now, bro? Alright, I'm gonna. Yeah, we pulled up to a little spot right here. We pulled up last time. We got a truck, so we ain't got to worry about falling into a ditch and nothing like that. We gonna bust some quick donuts with it.
Yeah, last time we was here, we ended up in the slammer.
Not for real.
We ended up with no fucking stick, no fucking. We ended up in the slammer. Look at that body, man.
What, Villa?
That body.
Oh yeah, we'll find the body right here. I don't know if you can get off of it, Villa, real quick and chop that off.
What?
That big branch right there. That one look like it's pretty stiff.
She's looking over here, bro. Close to this side.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's wire. Is it? No, it's not wire. Nah. Yeah. So I'm very paranoid about paint, Villa. But yeah, this gets through this little trail easily. My car would have been scraping everywhere right now. That little dip right there, my car scraped last time bad.
Well, you can tell people come back here and do no damn good things. We should have brought something, but we have nothing.
You can take a girl here at night.
You're gonna get murdered. You come back here at night.
Might be parked in a corner.
Fuck the crackers that fucking sacrifice you to their demons.
Alright, hold on. After a little driving, we made it to the spot. Check that out. Y'all be asking me how to get here, bro. If you know how to get here, you know how to get here. I ain't about to give out the spot like that. I don't even want to bust them over there right here.
We can do it over there.
Huh. I won't be surprised if I see bumpers everywhere. There's some people busting donuts around this right here. But I'm gonna let him bust the donuts. I'm gonna record it from the outside. Let's go. I'm gonna leave my wallet and all that right here. Villa?
I want to get down there.
Hold on. Let me know when you start busting them. Yeah, that thing busting like that. about to get out of here, bro. This thing sound crazy though. So what y'all think, bro? Leave a comment below if y'all want to see more stuff like this. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. You in the Billa? You in the?
Hey, I appreciate y'all for watching. You know, we'll catch y'all on the next one.